Welcome to JSPM TSSM Group of Institute. I, Professor Dushyant Dhamre, welcome you all in the Department of Civil Engineering. Right now we are standing in the Strength of Material Lab. Today we are going to perform compressive stress on brick. This is a sample of a brick having a standard size of 19 mm by 9 mm by 9 mm. Okay, so over here you can see a frog is there which was already filled with cement and sand. Before performing this test, we have kept this brick into water for 24 hours, immersed in 24 water for 24 hours. Then we have taken out and let it dry for again for 24 hours. Now we have filled this frog. Now we are going to place this brick below the plates loading system of a CTM, that is compressive testing machine. In this way we have put this brick, and now we are going to fix this brick between these two plates. The description of this machine, which we have already given in a compression test of timber, again I will going to explain. This is the loading portion, this is the digitalized portion, in which this is the locking part, in which we have to lock this portion. This is the digitalized meter. This is the digitalized meter, and below this there is a gear, speed gear. Now we have to fix the size of that brick, that is 19 by 9 by 9. Over here we are having some sets. We have to select the type, that is right now there is a round type. We have to select it as a square type. Set. Then we have to enter the dimensions, that is 19 centimeter, that is 190 mm. Using this joystick we can change the numbers. This is 190, and we are applying the load on the upper portion of the brick, so that's why we have to enter the area of that is 190 mm by 90 mm. So this is all set. Now whatever the readings are getting, we will get the readings in kilonewton. So now I will start the machine. As you can see, the load is increasing. Its value is getting in the digitalized meter. After some time, the brick will start breaking. At a particular weight, it will get break or failed. As you can see, the value is getting increased. Also you can see the sample of brick is getting cracked. Almost the portion of the brick is getting cracked. Now you can see the load in the digital meter, that is 53.5 kilonewton. Now it is not getting increased. So this must be your final reading. And that is the brake portion of the brake. Now I will stop the machine. 53.5 kilonewton is the reading for compression test of brake. This is the maximum load, that is 53.5 kilonewton. Now moving towards the observation table and observations for this particular. चलो
बाकी काही सांगायचं नाही ना
बस झालं आता काय नाही.
बरं आता मला फक्त सांगा